Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how actually I got a copy of the game for free. So if you want to learn how to do it also then watch this video until the end, guys. You're gonna be able to get the game for free, same as me, for any platform that you are playing. Okay, so make sure you follow the video until the end, guys. I'm gonna turn the camera on the other side to show everything you need to know in order to get this copy of the game for free for your platform. As you can see, guys, right here in front of you I have my iPhone, and I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game, guys, for free. So basically, doesn't matter which device you are using, iOS or Android, the steps are going to be the same. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use, but if you have Android device, it's totally fine. As I mentioned before, steps are the same. So we're going to get a game code, guys, which you can redeem a copy of the game for free after any platform that you are playing. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how I did it for myself, so you can learn it how to do it also you. Okay. So basically, guys, all you have to do, you just need to follow the steps I mentioned. Me, I got it, my code through SMS. I can share it with you how it looks like. It's one-time use, guys. So even if you copy, it's not going to work because I already did it. And it says, congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use. It's your Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 game code from WizCoupon. So basically, I went to this website, guys, which I'm going to show also the rest of the steps. And once you're going to enter inside, you have a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just going to type here in the searching bar, not to lose too much time. And here down below, you have platforms, as you can see, Xbox and PC. So basically, you just need to choose which platform you are playing. And once you're going to choose which one, for the both of platforms, steps are the same. So you just press show coupon code and unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to get completed until the end. And after that, it's going to redirect you to another page when it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code. You just need to follow the instructions, guys. It's very simple to do it. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you also. So basically, in the instructions, it says download and complete two apps below to unlock Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 game code. And after completing the task, enter phone number or email above to receive the code. As you saw with me, I got it by SMS because I put my phone number. If you want, you can put your email address. This is on your own choice how to get it. But before you do that, guys, you have this list down below, which you need to complete the task. And you just need to choose two of these two apps to complete it as a task, and you will be able to get the code. Okay. So basically, as you can see, everything it is for free here. You don't have to pay anything. All the apps are from App Store, Play Store. So they are from official stores. You don't have to do anything outside official stores, guys. So this is legit. And you just need to read the instructions, guys, because every app have different instructions. So make sure you read it careful so you don't skip any, you don't make any mistake. All right. So another thing you need to keep in mind is, for example, you should be a new user in the apps you are using. For example, if you already have TikTok, TikTok is a very popular app, so that's why I mentioned this one. If you have TikTok already on your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not fail. It will not work. It's gonna fail the process. You need to choose another app which you didn't download it before in your device. So me, I did Flip Sports and I did Travel Town. So basically how it works, you just need to press on it and then it shows again instructions, tap to install, and then it's going to redirect me to App Store because I'm using iPhone. If you have Android, it's going to redirect you to a Play Store. And from there, you're going to download the app. This particular app is requiring just to download the app and to open it, the app for a couple of seconds, okay? So around 20 to 30 seconds. So after I completed the first one, I did Travel Town, which is the second one. Travel Town is a bit different. It's a game. It's required to play then level number 9. So basically the steps are the same. You press on it, tap to install. It's going to redirect to App Store. And then just to play till to level number 9. So after I completed both of these two apps, guys, I came back again here. I put my phone number, just submit it. And then a couple of minutes after, they just send me the text, guys. With a code. So basically this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.